The furnace body has a tilting function, utilizing gravity to promote material flow. The system incorporates an LCD display and 3 independent temperature zones, enabling precise temperature, gradients, and control within each zone. The furnace utilizes an openable lid design. The furnace tubes support adjustable rotation speed to ensure uniform heating of the material. The system includes an oxygen analyzer to monitor the oxygen content within the furnace in real time. Pipelines connected to a high vacuum pump and a high-precision vacuum pressure gauge provides real-time feedback on the vacuum level. Monitoring thermocouples provides real-time monitoring of the actual temperature. Equipped with stainless steel inlet and outlet hoppers, it achieves continuous feeding and discharging under vacuum conditions.